Hey guys, kamusta? Jen here. So, I just want to make a quick video of unboxing this super exciting item from Chanel. So, this February, we had a vacation in Hong Kong. So, I got this from there. So, I just want to share, grabe sa Hong Kong. As in, halos lahat ng makakasalubong mo naka-designer wear, mga bags, damit. So, nakaka-shoes. So, nakaka-inspire din na may engganyo ka bumili ng designer things. So, since I've been wanting something from Chanel, so, binili ko na doon. And, since may 8% less sa price, so, okay din yung price sa Hong Kong. So, yeah, let's go and unbox this. Buksan natin ang pagganito kasi ayoko siyang masira. Yeah. So this is the Chanel Classic wallet and chain in gold hardware. So meron pa siyang plastic dito sa kanyang logo sa harap. So yes. That's it. Ito lang yung nakalagay sa kanya. Yeah. Yay! So, this is the little super cute bag again. What I love about this bag is its versatility. So, you can wear it in multiple ways. Just like this as a crossbody. But for me, I think it's a bit long, so I'm 5'2" and I can make it this shorter by crisscrossing the chains. So there, it's now shorter. You can wear it as a clutch, and this is my favorite way of wearing it. So I wanted to have a chain at the top. So like that. So this is probably one of my favorite ways to wear it. Yes! So hope you enjoyed unboxing with me this classic wallet on chain in black caviar leather and in gold hardware. So thank you. Bye!